Hello beautiful and wonderful people, I'm back again with another wonderful and amazing video. Today I'll be sharing with you an easy recipe that can help to eliminate hair issues, be it dandruff, scanty hair, slow hair growth. So if you're interested, keep watching. So to begin, get a clean and well sterilized glass jar. Please make sure all apparatus to be used are well cleaned and sterilized. So our first ingredient is moringa powder. Not only does moringa keep your hair from falling, it also promotes hair growth. The zinc present in moringa promotes healthy hair follicles. It contains omega-3 which help nourish the hair. So I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of moringa powder. You can also use the fresh moringa leaf in place of the powder. So now moving on to our next ingredient is neem powder. Neem relieves itchy scalp. Neem has antifungal properties that help with the treatment of dandruff. It averts premature graying of hair. So for the proportion, I will add 1 teaspoon of neem powder into my jar. So now moving on to the third ingredient, I have cloves. Cloves contain high level of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. It helps protect the scalp from dandruff, which is actually the major cause of weak and thin hair. So I added about 2 teaspoons of cloves into my jar. So now moving on to the next ingredient, I have hibiscus flower. Not only does hibiscus flower prevent dandruff, it also promotes hair growth. It deconditions hair and regulates sebum secretion on the scalp. It also prevents scalp infections and protects the scalp from sun damage. Moving on, I transferred about 2 tablespoons of hibiscus flower into the jar, poured about 1.5 glasses worth of hot water in it, and then I stirred so that all the ingredients will mix well. So guys, if you have watched me from the beginning till now and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please love, consider hitting the red button below that says subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, so you don't get to miss any of my upload or miss out on any of my videos that is coming up, because I always upload 2 times in a week. If you have any question relating to the video, let me know in the comment section. Let's chat it up in the comment section. Let's be friends. So did you give your baby a like? If no, please consider hitting the like button. I will appreciate it. And also, if you have not shared, please share to your family and friends so they can benefit from this idea, and subscribe also if you're new to this channel. So now I'll allow it to stay overnight. So the next day, this is how it looks. All the ingredients have fermented, so I will move on to strain. So for the straining, I'm using bowl and sieve to collect my filtrate. Next, after sieving, I transfer to my spray bottle that will help me spray in my hair. Or if you're using this as a tea rinse, that is on your wash day after shampooing your hair, deep conditioning, you can just pour this on your hair. That way you don't need to transfer it into a spray bottle. Just pour it all over your hair. Cover with shower cap or plastic bag. Wait for 30 minutes or an hour before rinsing off, and then proceed for your moisture routine. So I will save this for the second time because I was having some tiny particles which I don't want to stock on my hair. If you're battling with postpartum hair loss, slow hair growth, I suggest you use this as a tea rinse. That is, use it on your wash day and also use it as a base for your moisturizer. That way it's going to work perfectly and also reduce your shedding. Adding these treatments to your hair care routine will add so many benefits to your hair. It helps to prevent split ends. It helps your hair grow. It stops hair loss. It keeps hair soft and shiny, and it also repairs damaged hair. This hairspray is widely used to promote new hair growth because it contains antioxidants from natural ingredients. So this is me saying hi to you all, guys. I love to use mine as a leave-in. That's why I transferred it into my spray bottle. This hairspray is very powerful. As you can see, the ingredients are very powerful and they help with hair loss. Like I said earlier, I love to use mine as a leave-in. I apply it as a base for my moisture routine. Then I follow up with my ginger and clove oil or hair butter cream or hair grease. I recently made a hair oil that I love so much. I'm going to drop the link on the comment section. Please don't use this hairspray on babies below 24 months or 2 years of age. If you have any severe hair fall, I always advise you meet with a dermatologist. Please, when using this hairspray as a leave-in, don't forget to follow up with your oil or conditioner so that it doesn't dry out your hair. One good benefit of this hairspray is that it can be used on all hair type, be it natural or relaxed hair, and it does not know that you're 70 or 50 years. So from 2 years to 100 years, you can use it. Please, for storage, always store in your refrigerator after each use for 5 days. After 5 days, discard and make fresh batch. That brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please remember to give me a thumbs up before you leave, and then subscribe, and also share this video. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.